Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. Just got our latest shipment from Crate Club. Let's check it out. All right, so this is the Crate Club major level. I was getting the general level before, now I'm getting the major level. Not exactly sure why that change happened, but here it is. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different items at this level, and I'll roll in the information here at the bottom of the screen so you can see what the different levels are and what you pay. All right, so our first item is the Hero Clip, as you can see here. And basically what you got is a carabiner to hang gear, but this thing spins 360 degrees. So you can hang this over something and then hang your gear off it. So I've had these before and used them. You can see on the bike, it's got hike, shop, work, travel, DIY, dine, family, pet, organize. These are great for organizing all kinds of gear, in particular rope. And then I also like to hang extension cords, things like that from it. So you can see also it's got this little kind of like hook section. So when it goes over, say like, some sort of rod or bar, it'll kind of grab on. So it's not just gonna like slip off the other side, but that allows you, this thing spins and this thing rotates like that as well. So a simple little item, but helps you organize some gear. Hero Clip, that's your first item in this quarter's Crate Club. All right, next up, we've got the Nikron B70, 1200 lumens. Again, I've actually tried out a variety of Nicron lights in the past. I've had this one. So 1200 lumens, you got your normal LEDs, you got a green LED and a red LED, which you can see right there. This is a huge one. You have a magnet basically, so that you can attach it to something and get it to, lock into place, hands-free. I guess one of the things that's most unique is this 90-degree angle, but this swivels so you can have it go straight as well. So it's not just a 90-degree angle light. You can also use it as like a standard flashlight. Some of the details on the backs: 1200 lumens, 500 lumens, 80 lumens, and 10 lumens. IP65 rated, so water resistant, drop resistant to 1 meter. Let's see. They always exclude, not always, they often exclude the weight, including the battery. They take the battery weight out, which I think is pointless because you always need a battery. But 153 grams without the battery. This feels like a relatively unknown company to me when it comes to flashlights, but I've had good experience with these, and people I know who use them have liked them a lot as well. So for some people, that's going to be a bit big for EDC, but I think this is a great size light to put in a bag, to carry, keep in your glove box, that type of thing. So yeah, I think this is a win of an item. The Nikron B70 rechargeable twist flashlight. Yeah, I don't think I mentioned it is rechargeable. You can see your power switch there. I don't know if you can see, not in the box here, but let me take it out real quick. 2600 milliamp hour, 18650. And there's your port to recharge it, USB-C, which is great as well. All right, next up we have a blade from Warpath Blades. Check this guy out. So you get those blue G10 handles. Got some jimping here on it and also up there, so you can actually hold the blade like that to do some more detailed cutting. Looks like a heavy-duty plastic sheath. Got a clip on the back there. You could certainly run some cordage through there or breakaway chain if you wanted to run it around your neck. But this is a very slim profile knife, but I'm liking the look of that. Double check the steel here, but I'm pretty sure it is 1095. Yep, so we're looking at 1095 for your steel, and it is 7 inches from end to end. So that's a cool blade. This is like smaller than SE3, I would say overall, kind of its overall build. It's not as chunky, but bigger than an SE Azula. That's a nice slim profile knife. Yeah, basic outdoor camping knife. Again, this is the type of knife where you could throw it in a bag or you could throw it in a kit and have it ready to use. Now, just a quick reminder, whenever I do these unboxing videos for subscription boxes, I don't do a full review of all the gear just because that would take so long to do every item. But I'm giving you a sense of what you'll get in the different levels of different types of boxes, subscription boxes, and the types of products that you'll get as well. So, and once again, this is a blade from Warpath, and it's called the Kichi or Kichi knife. All right, next up we have this, which is the Subtle Patriot Pistol Planner. And you can see it looks like, a daily planner, but when you open it up, inside, you've got storage for a pistol, and you can also have a mag in there. You can hold a pistol with up to a 6-inch barrel, It's foam that when you press this in, it's going to basically take the shape of whatever pistol you're carrying in there. And then if you want to swap it out and put a new pistol in, it'll reshape to that new pistol. So let me show you. There's what it looks like inside. Zip this up again to show this to you. There's a little handle there. It does say covert, which is always kind of funny when something that's supposed to be covert says, hey, this is covert. But anyhow, hook and loop on the front for your subtle Patriot patch. There's the back. 10x7 is the size. It's a slick little item. You can obviously carry things other than a pistol in this, but that's really what it's made for. And got some information here on the front as well. Let me just show you the paperwork. So that's what that looks like. Some of your features there. Yeah, so that's a pretty interesting item. When I first saw it, I'm like, what is that thing? Yeah, so there you go. You can carry your pistol. Last up here, we have the Speed Vault. And this thing, like when I picked up the box, I'm like, man, that whole crate club feels heavy. This is the reason why it feels so heavy. So basically, you've got that your covert pistol case there, and then this is a way to store your weapon, store your pistol, but safe to armed in seconds. Let me open it up, show you how this works. There's your paperwork there. All right, so basically what you have here is a safe to keep your pistol in, and then you got 4 buttons on the top. It is battery operated, and essentially what you're going to do is boom, 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 type in your code, or boom, 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 I guess, type in your code, 4 buttons, and then this will swing down and you'll have access to your pistol. A bunch of different features. So when you first get it, it's got the code already set, so you have to basically put the battery in and then open it. You can set your own code. You can mute the beeps. It also has a safety feature. If someone's messing with it, it's going to auto lock, so that, you know, it's basically going to say, hey, nice try, but you can't get into this thing until you have the special, basically, release buttons that you have to press in. So yeah, the idea is you can mount it somewhere. You got options on the side there, that side, and, you know, up against the wall like so. So you have quick, easy access to your pistol. You can see this thing is not made to, you know, carry around or store somewhere in a vehicle per se. It's meant to be mounted somewhere like on a wall. And you can see the four fingers there representing, you know, the fingers you're gonna be using to open it up. So there's that. You do get your hardware for mounting as well. So yeah, you got your way to carry your pistol on the move, and then also a way to you know, to mount it at your home or wherever it might be to keep it secure, so only you have access to it. But let's hear your thoughts on what you're getting, you know, cost versus value. If you have some of these particular items, what do you like? What would you change out? What would you keep? The biggest win for me on this one is I'm looking for the number, the B70 Nicron flashlight. I'm a flashlight guy, and I think that's a great light with the 90-degree angle, and then also just the, you know, sort of straight normal flashlight angle as well. Multiple lights, high output, 18650 battery, rechargeable. I think that's a major win for me. But let's hear your thoughts. What do you like? What would you change? And we can get that discussion started in the comment section now. Hey, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.